question from Twitter was highlighting how state channels streamline business banking. That's pretty ominous in some ways, but maybe I'll talk through the state channels and token types. One of the things that we'll be releasing in the coming months are, and what we talked about in our hypergraph hour last week, was the ability to create an L0 token standard, which is very similar to an ERC20 token. One of the issues with the ERC20 token is that in large part, it's a PR stunt with really no business logic and ways to programmatically incentivize people to purchase your token. You receive a white paper, you have promises, distribution, what we think about a tokenomics, but the L0 token standard will require entities to come in and post their business logic and in a upfront way so that it's programmed into the state channel. And this will provide more transparency in the mechanics of how a token works. So in the case of creating a liquidity pool, somebody would create their own L0 token. They would provide liquidity to balance the buy and sell order sides. And then they would provide the business logic, the programmatic interface that says, okay, if you provide liquidity to my pool, I'll give you an APY of sort. And all of that will be programmed in the state channel that then can be deployed onto the Lattice exchange. And then let's say, Matthias, go ahead.
Well, I want to chime in there and basically say, you might say now, well, APYs, that's easy. Ethereum smart contracts do that already. That's old news, and in a way, that's correct. However, at the same time, the functionalities and the schemes that can be programmed into a state channel logic far exceed anything you could do on the Ethereum network. So you can come up with other schemes that are more akin to a futures contract or an options contract or agreements that are tied to actually real world business activity that you code programmatically into your state channel tokens. And then, you can see where this is going in terms of, the hypergraph or a state channel on the hypergraph in essence becomes a programmatic bank.